Do you know more than 4,500 years ago, people were already living in a city that was planned better than many modern towns? Welcome to LearningPad 3D. So, children, today we are going to learn the beginnings of Indian civilization. Let us just jump into the timeline and see what is there. We are going to learn about Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, the city planning of Mohenjo-daro in detail today. So let us just see how sophisticated urban planning was being planned here.
This map of Mohenjo-daro highlights.
Okay, children, you can see the time period here. The time period is 2600 to 1900 BCE. BCE here denotes that B for before, C for common, E for era. Before common era, and the location is all major Harappan sites. Description: cities built with wide streets, fortification, upper and lower towns we are going to see today. And who have built this? All the Harappan urban planners. Why? Need for organized urban living. Here, the effects. It established urban planning principles of the building plan of the entire Mohenjo-daro city. So children, as I have mentioned, more than 4,500 years ago, people were already living in a city that was planned better than what we are planning today. So welcome to Mohenjo-daro, one of the greatest cities of ancient Indus Valley Civilization. As you can see here we have Indus River flowing. So I think you got the name now. Yes? That's what we have, that the Indus Valley Civilization. Just look at this map, children. When we look at this map, we can see something extraordinary. The entire city was built in a perfect grid pattern. Yes, I really want you to check this. See how, like, you can see them in a small blocks. It was like arranged. The streets are they are running straight, intersecting each other at right angles, just like modern city blocks what we are seeing today. Let me show it for you. You can see that cities ran straight. They are intersecting each other at right angles. Here, there are a lot of other places you can see. And like modern city blocks, you can see the city was carefully divided into different sections. It is really very carefully divided into different sections. And the areas are planned for administration. I want everybody to note it down. Administration, trade, residential houses, okay. This shows that the people of Mohenjo-daro had a very organized system of urban planning. But most of the fascinating part lies beneath the street, children. Hidden under these roads were advanced drainage systems. Almost every house had a bathroom connected to covered drains that carried wastewater away from the city. This ensured cleanliness and hygiene, something many cities struggling even thousands of years later right now. Just look at this. Every house is getting connected. Here you can see every house is getting connected to drainage system, and they are like in the drainage system also we can see that the potholes are being arranged. The potholes are arranged. Why? To inspect the drainage system. The potholes are being arranged. Okay. Let's just see once again. At the center of the city stood an impressive structure known as the Great Bath. Okay, the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro, the large public bath believed it is used for the rituals or community gatherings. Let me tell you an interesting fact today. Mohenjo-daro means mound of the dead. Let me write it for you. Mound of the dead. Mohenjo-daro means mound of the dead. The city was discovered in the year 1922 by the archaeologist called R.D. Banerjee. R.D. Banerjee. You will get them in your blanks or in your exam. Okay. Houses were built with uniform baked bricks showing standardized construction methods. Many houses had a private wells, which means people had easy access to water. The civilization still remains mysterious because their script has not been fully decoded yet. Mohenjo-daro proves that thousands of years ago, people already mastered engineering, sanitation. Let me write engineering, sanitation, city planning. It stands as a timeless reminder that ancient civilizations were far more advanced than we often imagine. Children, let me show you what actually grid pattern streets mean. As I just have shown how Mohenjo-daro is being in a grid pattern, you can see here. You can see in this perfectly picture, like it is showing that the perfect grid pattern looks like this. The streets are like straight, intersecting each other at a right angle. Okay, you can see that they are in a blocks. That's how a grid pattern looks like. It's like an organized system of urban planning, children. So, children, as you can see here, the Great Bath is one of the most famous structures of the ancient city Mohenjo-daro, which belongs to the Indus Valley Civilization. It shows the advanced engineering and cleanliness practices of the people who lived around 2500 BCE. Let us just look at this Great Bath. You can see a swimming pool pattern here on the screen. Yes, you can see this. This is a swimming pool pattern, or we call it as a great bath. It is built with the baked bricks. You can see here. All the bricks are like baked bricks, waterproof, like it was being layered with the bitumen. Let me write it for you. It is layered with the bitumen. This bitumen will prevent the leakage. It helps in preventing the leakage. The bath is about 12 meters long. It is just 12 meters long. From here to here, it's around 12 meters long and 7 meters wide. 7 meters wide and 12 meters long. And next, let us just see steps. Here, can you see the steps? These are the steps. The steps on both sides allow people to enter into the water easily. A sophisticated drainage system was built to fill and empty the tank, surrounded by rooms and corridors, possibly used for changing the clothes or changing for rituals. Okay. Historians believe that Great Bath was used for religious purpose or ritual bathing, similar to how people take holy baths in rivers today. It shows that cleanliness and public bathing are very important in their culture. Next, importance of this great bath. It is like one of the earliest public water tanks in the world. Let me write it for you. Earliest public tanks, water tanks in the world, and it demonstrates advanced urban planning and engineering skills of Indus people. indicates the community and religious practices. Okay, in simple words, I can say that the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro was large public bathing tank used for ritual and community purpose, showing the high level of planning and sanitation in Indus Valley Civilization. So, if you have any other concerns or if you have any doubts, please let us know in the comments and please subscribe to LearningPad 3D.